Today's featured car of the day is a 1970 Ford Torino Cobra with a 4-speed with the 429 and a Super Cobra jet with the drag pack. And this one has the Day 2 Krager wheels on it. Is one of 1,475 made in 1970 with the 429 Super Cobra jet engine in it and the drag pack. This one I recorded at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California, where it was out showing off its stuff. It was definitely an eye catcher in the bright red with the black bucket seat interior. It was definitely a good looker, that's for sure. But as far as the Cobras go, this one was part of the second generation of the Torino Cobra, which was made in 1970 and 1971. With the Torino Cobra, it was only available as with the sports roof and came standard with a 4-speed close ratio transmission, a Hurst shifter competition suspension, the flat black hood and grille, 7-inch wide wheels, F70 by 14 tires with raised white letters, and twist-style exposed hood latches, and the Cobra emblems inside and out. And optional was the 15-inch Magnum 500 wheels with F60 15-inch tires and flat black sports slats for the rear window. As far as with the Cobra, they had 3 different 429 engines. The standard Cobra came with the 429 Thunderjet, they called it. It was rated at 360 horsepower. Next was the 429 Cobra Jet, which was rated at 370 horsepower, which included 2 bolt mains, hydraulic lifters, a 700 CFM Holley, or a 715 Quadrajet carburetor, and was available with or without ram air. The top option was the 429 Super Cobra Jet, rated at 375 horsepower, and was part of the drag pack option. So if you selected drag pack during when you were ordering the car, you got turned a 429 Cobra Jet into a 429 Super Cobra Jet, and the drag pack required either a 391 rear end or a 430 axle ratio, and it included 4-bolt main engine block, forged pistons, a 780 CFM Holley carburetor, engine oil cooler, and solid valve lifters. And if you got the 430 rear axle, you got the Detroit locker, and the 391 was the traction lock, limited slip. And as far as production numbers for them, they made 7,675 Torino Cobras. 1,475 were Super Cobra Jet cars, like this one is. As usual, with any numbers, take it with a grain of salt. They're not cast in stone. That's just the numbers that are on the internet, and I think these are probably accurate, but you never know. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1970 Ford Torino Cobra with the 429 Super Cobra Jet engine, shaker hood with ram air, a 4-speed, the Day 2 Krager Super Sport wheels, and I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. I appreciate it. If you would share this video and my channel Car Finder with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, and consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.